Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh AS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims economy question. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming prelims exam and also how to solve every question in the easier manner. Okay, and also how to find the easy pattern type questions. Okay, and also how to find certain extreme level keywords to eliminate the statement. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, what is the aim of the program of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan? So it is one of the factual type question. So you have to know about what is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. It is a flagship program of the Ministry of Education. It was launched in 2014. So what is its ambition? Okay, so its aim to link the higher education institutions with a set of at least 5 villages. Okay, so at least 5 villages, so that these institutions can contribute to the economic and social betterment of these village communities using their knowledge base. Okay, so it is actually act as a bridge between the higher education institution and the villages. Okay, so by that there will be changes in the economic and social changes or the economic changes happens to these villages. Okay, so it covers two major domains for the holistic development of the villages. First is human development and material development. Okay, so again it is social and the economic development. Okay, in an integrated manner. Okay, Indian Institute of Technology Delhi has been designed as a national coordinating institute for this Unnat Bharat Abhiyan scheme. Okay, so with this you try to answer this question. So statement A, achieving 100% literacy by promoting the collaborations between the voluntary organization and the government education institution and the local communities. No. Okay. B, connecting the institution of the higher education institutions with the local communities to address the development challenges through the appropriate technologies. So this is clearly say about what is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, see, sometimes they will ask about the direct questions about the schemes or policies. Okay, so if there is anything about the any new schemes or in the current affair means try to recall and memorize it. Okay, it is more important. They may ask a direct question. Okay, so if you know that means you can easily answer it. Okay, so that is the thing you have to focus. Okay, so all the best. Thank you.